everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk. So today I am going to go ahead and set up my September's budget. I am currently trying to get caught up, and so if you guys are interested in watching, please continue to watch. All right, so I am using this digital budget planner. As if for those who have been following me, you are aware. For those who have not, I actually use the budget planner as part of my planning. So we're going to go ahead and do September. See. I've already set up the bills that I have that needs to be paid. So we have the paydays in green. Those are the days that I get paid for the month of September. I'm looking at expenses that are scheduled to come out on these particular days. And so now what I'm going to do is go in and set up the monthly budget. So let's see. Let's say payroll. Let's budget 16, 11, 32. And then let's budget another 16, 11, 32. Savings goal is going to be 280 for the month. That's not applicable. So we're going to do Chime, and that is going to be actual just because I know that automatically comes out. The project fund, same thing, that's what 100, so 2. And then we have the credit union, and this bill I'm gonna try to see if I can pay that off quicker because it's going well. Then I want to still keep it open because it helps with my credit, keep my credit open. So let's do 210, and let's see. We have cable, which is 80. We have the federal student loan, and I usually just do it like this to keep from writing all that out. So it's going to be 4101. Navient 1633. Have Home Depot. That's 50. And then we have my truck insurance, which I'm budgeting 176.24. That may change. And then so we have sinking funds, and I do 40. So for the month it'll be 80. And then we have the cash envelopes. And so we're going to be doing 800 for the month. So we're going to add these up. Let's see. Let's do the total for the income. It's got 1611 twice for the month. That should put me at $3,222.64. Let's add up these bills. We got 200 plus 200 plus 210 plus 80 plus 4101 plus 1633 plus 50 plus 176.24 plus 80 plus 800 plus the 280 for the savings. It should be $2,133.58. Take that away from the $3,222.64, should leave $1,089.06. Okay, and of course, the goal is to spend less on takeout and to save for vet bills. And I know you guys who are, have been riding with me for this journey. Vet bills. I actually purchased, well, not purchased, adopted a puppy. So I have been trying to get acclimated with that new furry family member. And so that's going to be part of the cash envelopes going forward. So let's go on to paycheck, the first paycheck for September, and that is on the 3rd. We're going to estimate this as 16/11/32. I have the chime. And that is going to be $100. Project, $100. Savings, 140. Credit union, 105. Cable, 80. Home Depot. And I know I left a bill out. I see it over there now. 50. I did not include. Why didn't I include my cell phone? So we're gonna go ahead and add this on here because I know that that's due. So that is 35. Federal loan, storage, and Navient. Okay, so then I have federal, student loan, storage, and Navient. So we know that's 4101, 25, 1633, and then sinking fund, 40, cash, envelope, um, 60. Okay, so I got everything. So let's go ahead and total up the expenses for this check. 100 plus 100 plus 140 plus 105 plus 80 plus 50 plus 35 plus 4101 plus 25 plus 1633 plus 40 plus 360. We are looking at $1,092.34. Take that from 16/11/32. That should leave $508.98. And I would make any adjustments as needed, but that is what I have for that first paycheck in September. I just want to make sure. Okay. So that's basically it. So for this first paycheck in September, there should be $518.98 that's budgeted out Of course, if anything comes up in between that, I'll adjust this amount as needed. So that's basically it. Just a quick video on my monthly budget for September, that includes the monthly outlay as well as the weekly paycheck. All right. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.